Hey, Aylin here. So I just got in my box. Obviously, I'm really excited. I'm not properly dressed. I've been waiting for it for a little bit now, just because the blonde duo was on back order. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and unbox it for you. My scissors. Okay, so first I'm just going to go ahead and show you what it looks like on the inside. And I'm going to take everything out first. This is one of the first boxes. It says, "We are modern nature. My monitude is also a green one." So we say no to toxic ingredients, cruelty-free, vegan, and does not contain sulfates or parabens or anything like that. That was one of the first boxes. This was the one I was telling you about. It was on back order, so I didn't get everything yet. This is just garbage. I got this, which is for free. And I'm going to go ahead and show you basically the order. So I placed the order on the 31st of July. It is now August 8th. So if you think about it, it's really not that long. Sorry. So that's the complete order. And it shows the hair tie right there. The soothing shampoo, microcellular, which is what that one was for free. The duo, which I got 50% off. That's why I waited. I had to wait. And I ordered 2 of the air dries, which is that one. So I already showed you this. Free. This is the shampoo, the one I was waiting for, and conditioner. Yay! Let's see. They smell good. Oh, it's sealed. It smells good. Smells really good. Compared to most of the other ones, they don't ever really smell that good. Sealed as well. Sorry, struggle. It smells good too. It just smells like refreshing. Both of them, pretty good. Okay, so this is the other box. Got some things in there I didn't order. So this is the air dry cream. 1, 2. Rejuva beads, you guys, this is what's up. I got this for free, and I've heard so many good things about it. Is there like a special way to open this? No, just. Smells good too. So it's kind of just like this little cream stuff that you can just put on your split ends. I'm just gonna, because my hair is a mess right now, put it on a little bit like that. Oh, smells good. Yes. So happy about that. And this one I got for free too. Let's see. Probably another seal. This one's a little harder to take off. There we go. This one smells super fruity in a good way. So this is the Microcellular Soothing Shampoo that I got for free. Let's see. Whoop. Also sealed. This one doesn't really smell like anything. But, so stay tuned. And don't forget to follow my Instagram at alyn.withcare. And thanks for watching.